Here we have Norton Clipper's low vibration floor saw, the CS451. The CS451 was designed to reduce hand-arm vibration levels by up to 40%. This was done by introducing shock absorbers into the handlebars, and these can also be adjusted to suit the user's height. The design of the CS451 optimises the weight distribution of the water tank and the engine, pushing the diamond blade into the cut. And thanks to the Honda GX390 engine, it makes this machine very reliable. Today I'm going to demonstrate the CS451 with a 450mm diamond blade. This blade will give you 170mm depth of cut. We're going to show you two blades today. The first blade you're going to see is a Pro Beton, which is the ideal blade for cutting reinforced concrete. Before we do, please remember to use your safety equipment, your ear defenders, your goggles and your gloves. Now you've seen the demonstration of a CS451 cutting concrete with a Pro Beton diamond blade. We're now going to go and cut some asphalt. So we're going to fit this extreme asphalt diamond blade to the CS451. This blade is manufactured using the Norton's IHD technology, which makes the blade much stronger than other diamond blades. You'll also notice there's depth indicators on the diamond blade that will demonstrate you're cutting to 5 and 10 centimetres. Also on the blade there are multiple drop-shaped segments which reduce undercutting and make the blade last longer. As you've just seen, this is a perfect diamond blade for cutting asphalt. When you're cutting different materials, if you ensure you've got the right blade fitted to your machine, you're going to get the best performance.